from the Kumam cultural leader, His Highness Papa Ateker Raphael. He asked me to represent him and speak on his behalf. I would like to thank the organizers of this occasion and this project. It's a very good initiative and it inspires our children a lot. So dear parents, next time bring more children. As we have seen, this is the first one and it's a success. Let us also learn to embrace our culture and all our different cultures and avoid tribal discrimination, because we Ateker people, we are one. Do not look down on your fellow Ateker people, the Kumam, Karamojong, Iteso, because we are all one. When we meet somewhere, let's treat each other like brothers and sisters, because we are one. Thank you so much. I remain Asako Miss Kumam, Kumam Nyai, Apoyo Sana.